Welcome back to the races, everybody. I am on the outside lane facing Alina. My car is temperamental, but I predict Alina winning this one because I believe the outside lane is haunted. So many cars have fallen. Here we go. Who was that? Oh, who was that? Alina. A brave effort. Sadly, we say goodbye. Next season, good luck next season. Tweeder Cat versus the Wench now. Here we go. Good luck to both of you. And I think the cat wins. The cat wins. Big matchup of the day. Or one of them. We've got a bigger one in a minute. But Lee Ricketts and his Pink Torpedo versus Evo. Here we go. Pink Torpedo on the outside lane. Good luck to both of you. Here we go. Doing well, both of them. Doing well, both of them. Evo for the win, I'm afraid. John King versus Mark Smith. This is a hell of a matchup. Both very fast. Who knows what can happen, but John King is in the ghostly haunted outside lane. Here we go. Good luck. What happened there? Mark Smith is backwards. What happened there? Mark Smith is backwards. John King is okay, but what lane is John King in? John King is in the right lane. Mark Smith has been naughty and fell off. Unfortunately, that is the end for Mark Smith this season. Well done, John King. See you on Wednesday for the draw for the semi-final. Goodbye.